Hello students, now I am going to present problems on guarantee of profit to a partner. Here, John and Matthew share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Mohanty into their firm 1 by 6 share in profits. John personally guaranteed Mohanty's share of profit after charging interest on capital at 10% per annum would not be less than rupees 30,000. That means here John guarantees Mohanty that Mohanty's share of profit would not be less than 30,000. Here only one partner guarantees to Mohanty. The capital provided was as follows: John 2,50,000, that is opening capital of John. Next Matthew 2 lakh, that is opening capital of Matthew. Next Mohanty 1,50,000, opening capital of Mohanty. The profit for the year ending March 31st 2006 amounted to rupees 1,50,000 before providing interest on capital. That means before providing interest on capital they have given net profit. That means they have not charged interest on capital in the problem. Therefore you have to charge interest on capital while solving the problem. Show the profit and loss appropriation account if the new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Here new profit sharing ratio is given, old ratio is given, in rate of interest, that is 10% given, and guaranteed profit and 30,000 given. From these information we have to solve profit and loss appropriation account. First draw rulings. Credit side always you have to write net profit by net profit. In the question they have given 1,50,000. This 1,50,000 before charging interest on capital. Therefore you have to charge debit side interest on capital. Here interest on capital is always calculated on the opening capitals of the partner. In the problem they have given opening capitals 2,50,000, Matthew 2 lakh, next Mohanty 1,50,000. On these opening capitals if you charge 10% each, then you will get John 25,000, then Matthew 20,000, then Mohanty 15,000. Then outer column you will get 60,000. Here no other entries. Here credit side more, 1,50,000 minus 60,000, you will get 90,000. Here profit after interest on capital 1,50,000 minus 60,000, you will get 90,000. This 90,000 should be distributed in 3:2:1 ratio. Therefore that profit 90,000 should be distributed to partner John, next Matthew, next Mohanty. John's 45,000 working here. John gets 45,000. Here 90,000 into 3 by 6. Then you will get 45,000. Next Matthew 90,000 into 2 by 6. Then he will get 30,000. Next Mohanty 90,000 into 1 by 6. Then he will get 15,000. But guaranteed profit to Mohanty in the question is 30,000. Therefore deficiency of Mohanty is 30,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 15,000 will be borne by John. In the question John guarantees amount of 30,000, but according to the new ratio Mohanty gets only 15,000. Remaining 15,000 is borne by John, that is paid by John. Therefore John will therefore get 45,000 minus 15,000. 15,000 if he pays to Mohanty, then remaining is 30,000 is share of John. Therefore here John 45,000 less share of deficiency. Here paid to which person? Mohanty. 15,000 John pays 15,000. Therefore remaining 30,000 only his share of profit. Next Matthew's share of profit already calculated in working. Mohanty's actually guaranteed profit 30,000. You have to write always a 30,000 guaranteed profit outer column. But according to the new ratio he gets only 15,000. Remaining 15,000 he got from here John. Therefore add deficiency received from John 15,000. And then outer column 30,000. Both side total equal 1,50,000. This is the problem on guaranteed profit to a partner. Next problem. Here Ram, Raj and George are partners. their sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Here, according to the partnership agreement, George is to get minimum amount of rupees 10,000. That means guaranteed profit to George is 10,000 every year. The net profit for the year 2006 amounted to rupees 40,000. Here they have not said interest on capital, salary is to be charged, nothing they have given, only net profit 40,000 given. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. From this information you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side always you have to write net profit, that is it is given in the question 40,000. Here no other entries, interest on capital, salary, nothing given. This 40,000 you have to distribute to the partners in their ratio 5:3:2. 40,000 into 5/10, then Ram's share of profit is actually 20,000. Here 1,250 how will get, it is I have written in working, afterwards I will explain. Here 40,000 into 5/10, then Ram's share of profit is 20,000. Next Raj capital 40,000 into his share of profit 3/10 is equal to 12,000. Next George capital 40,000 into 2/10 is equal to 8,000, but guaranteed profit in the question is 10,000. Okay, here in the working I have given George share actually 40,000 into 2/10 8,000, but guaranteed profit in the question 10,000. Therefore deficiency 10,000 minus 8,000 is equal to 2,000. 2,000 deficiency. That deficiency of George will be borne by Ram and Raj in the ratio of 5:3. Therefore Ram, his share, Ram he has to pay to George 2,000 into 5/8 is equal to 1,250. Therefore in the Ram's capital 20,000 actually his share of profit, he has to pay 1,250 to George. Therefore you have to deduct that 1,250 from 20,000, then you will get outer column 18,750. Next Raj, that 2,000 deficiency, in that he has to pay in his ratio 3/8, then 750 he has to pay to the George. Therefore from his share of profit 12,000 minus 750 he has to pay, therefore deduct, then you will get outer column 11,250. Then George capital, actually according to his ratio he will get his profit 8,000, but guaranteed profit in the question is 10,000. Therefore here remaining deficiency is received from Ram 1,250 plus, therefore plus again from Raj 750, then you will get 10,000 outer column. Therefore here both side total equal 40,000. These are the problems on share of guaranteed profit to a partner. Thank you.